Hello guys, and this is Jeffix again, and this is the new Galaxy S24 Ultra. I just enjoyed this phone, and in today's video I'm going to show you the apps that will be able to allow you add this particular widgets from your home screen, your phones, and these are the two applications that you can use to do this. And in this video it is very focused on those individuals that are not in the US and the UK, and this is how you can enjoy good luck tricks, good luck setting, good luck services. I'm going to show you how to get good luck, to add those icons the way they are down there, and the application to be able to help you enjoy these all these features on your Galaxy phone. And this is not other than the two particular applications, that is Fine Lock and Good Luck. I'm going to start with how you can get Fine Lock from your phone, and then I'll be able to show you how you can get Good Luck on your phone. I'm going to start with Fine Lock. To get Fine Lock, this is very simple. You go to your Google Play Store. From your Google Play Store, you go on and type Fine Lock. It will just show there. Then you go on and tap Fine Lock. It will show like this. As you can see, that's the icon of Fine Lock. That is it. Then you go on and download it. Mine is already installed, that's why it only shows open. Then you go on and tap open. It will show these are the new features that you will be able to use. These are the same features that will appear in your Good Luck application. These are the same that in your Fine Lock application. For example, local star, you can be able to add the widget I showed you on my lock screen, as it is there. It is very simple to add. There are a few other things you can enjoy using Fine Lock. We have home app. You'll be able to add icons on your phone. For example, you can set up 9 icons on your home screen. These are very many things you can use from this Fine Lock application. It is the same as Fine Lock, and it works in all countries around the world. It is very easy to get. You just go in your Play Store, you download the application, then you'll be able to add on those settings. Next, I'm going to show you how to get Good Luck from your Galaxy device. It is the next. So you go on and your phone. This is very simple, guys. This is how Good Luck appears. It is almost the same as it is in the Fine Lock. It has the same features. We have some that are under markup and some which are under live up. So these are the things you need in your Good Luck applications. You can use this Good Luck anywhere in the world, not just in the US. This will work for any person in the world. It is very simple to get. I'm going to show you how you can get these things. This is how I enjoy using these Vrim app icons. It is very easy to change everything here in this Good Luck particular application. You can do this home app. You set the icons as it was in the Fine Lock. It is very simple to set, very simple to use, but the main issue here is on how to get this particular application. So let me show you how. So I'm going to use Google Drive. Make sure you have the Google Drive application in your phone. From Google Drive, I'm going to create this application there. I'm going to set it there. You'll be able to install it from the Google Drive. I'm going to create a particular link. I'm going to copy a link. I'm going to share it with you. Guys, if you enjoy using this, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for my YouTube channel for more interesting videos like this. I'm going to show you. I'm going to share this particular link in my description. You'll be able to download the Good Luck application from my Google Drive. It is very simple to use, very simple to install. Just have to click in the link and it will redirect you into the Google Drive application. Then you enjoy using these two particular applications. Thank you.